Hello, hello. It's your November Workspace Spark unboxing. Let's dig on in. All right, so November is our special stationery surprise. Hope you can see that card there. So it is everything you need to get ready for the new year. I absolutely love planners. It's one of my favorite boxes. I hope it is yours too. So 2023 Spiral Planner, see life at a glance with monthly and weekly planning pages, room for notes, to-dos, and bits of brilliant inspiration throughout. And look at this beautiful planner. Can you see it? Awesome. Yes. So 2023 Spice Sugar Paper. Start each day with a grateful heart. Awesome. Awesome. Great reminder. And it has tabs. I love a tab with planner with tabs. It has a week at a glance. So you can write in your week goals and the things you have to do. And then of course it has the dates. Awesome. Awesome. So I love this quality gold coiled. So let's dive into some more goodies that we have. Next up is the felt pens. Oh, they match the planner. Look how beautiful it is. Awesome. So 3-pack felt pens for you to use. There's a striped one, black polka dot, and a white polka dot one to match your planner. Next up, Erin Condren's 3 mini snap-in bookmarks. You see it there? These snap into your spiral so that you can bookmark the areas that you want for your planner. How cool is that? I love Erin Condren's products. And last but not least, the stationery kit. Add a pop of color to your planner with this stationery kit that includes pencil, a ruler, sticky notes, and more. Gotta drop a pop of color in there. So you have binder, you have a sticky notes, you have binder clips, you have paper clips here, a ruler, and some pencils. How cute is that? No planner is complete without all of these items, right? And last but not least, our training for this month. So this month we are focusing on the trainings we did for the year. So have you been watching our trainings? If not, please go to our YouTube channel, check out our trainings. We have experts. I mean, I try to hunt for the best people in the industry to give you the tips and updates to help your career for 2023 and beyond. So please check out the trainings that we did this year. And until next time, I will see you soon.